Imagine stepping into a land of lush green hills, cozy hobbit halls, and the delightful aroma of freshly baked bread filling the air. This is no mere fantasy, this is Hobbiton, the spellbinding movie set of the Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit trilogies, nestled in New Zealand's scenic Waikato region. As soon as you arrive, you'll find yourself transported to the Shire, the charming home of Bilbo Baggins and his fellow hobbits. Whether you're an avid fan of J.R.R. Tolkien's tales or simply seeking an unforgettable experience, Hobbiton offers a magical escape like no other. With its serene landscapes and unparalleled attention to detail, this extraordinary destination captures the essence of Middle-earth and invites visitors to step into a storybook brought to life. Hobbiton is tucked away on a sprawling 1,250-acre sheep farm near Matamata on New Zealand's North Island. The farm's picturesque, rolling hills perfectly mirrored the Shire from Tolkien's beloved books, making it the ideal location for director Peter Jackson's vision of Middle-earth. While scouting for filming locations, Jackson stumbled upon this breathtaking spot, unaware that it would soon become one of the most iconic and celebrated movie sets in the world. Hobbiton perfectly blends natural beauty with fantasy, letting visitors walk in their favorite characters' footsteps. Transforming this tranquil farmland into the magical village of Hobbiton was a monumental effort. Over 9 months, a dedicated team of craftspeople and laborers construct the 37 hobbit halls, each brimming with incredible detail, from neatly manicured gardens and rustic fences to miniature chimneys and colorful round doors. The set designers worked tirelessly to ensure every element of Hobbiton felt authentic and alive, creating a timeless snapshot of Tolkien's Shire. The Green Dragon Inn, with its rustic charm, is the heart of Hobbiton, showcasing the meticulous artistry that makes the set a cinematic masterpiece. A visit to Hobbiton is nothing short of magical. Guided tours lead you through the heart of the Shire, where you can explore the hobbit halls, stroll across the party field, and even enjoy a pint at the Green Dragon Inn. Along the way, your guide will share fascinating behind-the-scenes stories about the making of the movies, revealing the incredible craftsmanship and attention to detail that brought Hobbiton to life. Whether you're a fan of the films, the books, or simply a lover of immersive artistry, Hobbiton promises an experience that lingers in your heart long after your visit. It's not just a destination, it's a journey into the imagination, where fantasy and reality intertwine.